comprehensive knives comparison. Throwing knives have gained popularity among hobbyists, professional competitors, and outdoor enthusiasts for their precision, craftsmanship, and skill-based appeal. Whether you're training for a competition, enjoying recreational throwing, or simply honing your skills, selecting the right set of throwing knives is essential. List number. The JXO throwing spikes feature a sleek 9.4-inch stainless steel construction designed for no-spin throwing techniques. This set includes a durable nylon belt sheath for convenient portability. Priced at $39.99, it strikes a balance between affordability and quality. The knives are well balanced, with a streamlined design that appeals to intermediate throwers seeking consistent performance. During testing, the knives demonstrated excellent aerodynamics, making them suitable for both beginners and those refining their no-spin technique. However, the lack of a cord-wrapped handle reduces grip security, especially for extended use. While the stainless steel build ensures durability, the knives may show minor scuffing after repeated impacts. Overall, this set is a solid mid-range choice for recreational throwers. List number. The JXO Thunder is the premium offering in this lineup, featuring 10.2-inch stainless steel spikes with a thickness of 0.275 inches. Designed for advanced throwers, these knives are optimized for no-spin techniques and come with a robust nylon belt sheath. At $69.99, it's the most expensive option, but the build quality and performance justify the price. In performance tests, the Thunder delivered unparalleled stability and penetration, thanks to its heavier weight and thicker profile. The knives feel solid in hand, and the precision machining ensures consistent throws. However, the lack of a grip-enhancing handle may deter users who prefer more tactile feedback. This set is ideal for professionals and advanced users who prioritize precision and durability. List number. The RIAT 12-piece set features 6.5-inch 440 stainless steel knives with cord-wrapped handles for improved grip. At $29.99, this budget-friendly option is perfect for beginners and casual users. The included nylon carrying case adds value by providing safe storage and portability. While the knives are lightweight and easy to handle, their smaller size limits penetration power and stability for advanced techniques. The cord-wrapped handle offers decent grip but may wear out over time. This set is best suited for recreational throwers or those new to the hobby, offering good value. List number. This RIAT 12-piece set is nearly identical to the previous model, with 6.5-inch 440 stainless steel knives and cord-wrapped handles. Priced at $29.99, it provides the same value-driven features, including a nylon carrying case for storage and transport. Performance is consistent with the other RIAT 6.5-inch set, offering lightweight handling and decent grip. However, the knives are better suited for casual throwing rather than serious training or competition. Durability is adequate for the price, though the cord wrapping remains a potential weak point. List number. This RIAT set features slightly smaller knives at 6 inches, making them the most compact option in the lineup. Like the other RIAT models, these knives are made from 440 stainless steel and include cord-wrapped handles and a nylon carrying case. At $29.99, it's another budget-friendly choice. The smaller size reduces throwing stability and penetration power, making this set less suitable for advanced users. However, the compact design may appeal to younger or smaller-handed throwers. The cord-wrapped handle provides decent grip, though durability remains a concern. This set is best for casual use or as an introductory option,